Hello, this is my first video on the Nautica Gaming channel. I am sorry for the watermark. I will get rid of it if people start following me, or people subscribe to me. The people don't follow me. This isn't Twitch. But it costs $80, so I don't really have that kind of money lying around, but I really enjoy making videos, and if anyone would consider subscribing or liking, that would be very much appreciated. But other than that, enjoy this gameplay and my thoughts on the Nature of the Beast hand cannon. Nature of the Beast is good, but I do not think that it could go against a 1v1 with a spare ration, as its time to kill is not as fast as Force that's 3 spare rations headshots. But depending on what buff 180s get, I don't know because I didn't look into it, but if 180s get a good buff, then I don't know, this may end up being good. But I'm guessing the 180s that get a buff will most likely have kill clip. No way, because no! The God Roll 180 hand cannons will most likely have kill clip. For that, I believe kill clip alone on 180s these days let you 3 tap, I believe. Which is very good. It's like the old Luna's How. 3 tapped. Now I would like to see them do something. I want to see them do something very good with 180s. Because 180s might just be my favorite archetype of hand cannon. Not because of this. I mean, before that, they were still my favorite. 180s are such a gun.
Zone B lost.
Like the amount that 180s done.
Double down. Yes. 3 down.
180s do not really go well in this meta. I mean, if you can like what I'm doing right now, if you hit someone off like that, then it's way better than an auto rifle. Because of its ease of use. How easy it is to actually hit headshots, I've noticed. I noticed it being quite easy to hit headshots with. That dude's reloading, unlucky. Oh, what a nasty flank. I'm sorry. Christ, I am weak. Thank you for letting me regen. Nice fire.
With you in the field, no enemy can hide from us, Hunter.
Where's that dude go? Oh, he's behind me. Like that. I think it can compete very well with a Gnawing Hunger. But yet again, Gnawing Hunger, I feel, just has more range. And more, I'd say, ease of use. People always say that. Sorry, I didn't mean to crouch back there.
Keep it that way.
People always say that auto rifles aren't hard to use, and that's true. A very mediocrely skilled player can use a auto rifle. I feel like 180s are also kind of as easy to use. But I might be wrong, but I just think 180s are kind of easy to use as well.
Shut the enemy down.
One grenade, yes! Arcboard actually did something. I'm kidding, it's useful. Christ. The Gallon Charge, I don't even know what that is. But yeah, I know, I watch Sir Demetrius. I love Sir Demetrius. He's a very good ex-tournament player. Or does he play tournaments now? I think he might play tournaments now. Oh, I failed my jump. It's all over for me. I shouldn't be running from a Spectral, but I have to. So I can't combat sleepers. No, but I really like Sir Demetrius. He's a very funny YouTuber, and I love his content. Maybe I could play in tournaments with him, or a tournament. I don't play in tournaments, but I might get into playing in tournaments. I was like this more chilled out Destiny 2. But,
Zone A lost.
you know, not everyone likes this type of... Oh, not everyone. Not that everyone doesn't like it. I would like competing in tournaments. I just don't feel that I am good enough yet.
This is wonderful.
But eventually, yes, I would love to compete in some tournaments.
Zone C captured. You have zone advantage.
Christ. Oh, that's easy pickings. The Suros regime is so nasty. Coming to a sub-box near me. God, it is so good. Its time to kill is like something crazy like 0.35.
Don't spend all that ammo in one place.
Insanely broken IMO. But I feel like it's also balanced in a way. I mean, a good player using Suros can melt lobbies, but a good player using any weapon could melt any lobbies. It's like I'm not saying I'm good, but
Finish it.
and I'm not saying that Nature of the Beast is bad, because Nature of the Beast is good, but I don't know. 180 is still not the best. See if I can... Get him, his teammate! Teammate's using Spectral! Get him, teammate! That was a bit of a funny
Zone
time.
A captured. That's a power play. You took
I think the
them,
whole
now
team is
hold
on
them.
C. And behind the other one. From behind. Good flank. That dude's on a good
3
flank.
minutes.
That was a very good match. Dude, I want to go to a Beloved. You see that dude using Beloved in his hand. Dropping 38. That's very good.